So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in SFC /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.